Experiencing emergency calls only on your Tesco Mobile device means it can't connect to the regular mobile network, preventing standard calls and data use, but still allowing emergency calls. This often stems from SIM card issues, network locks, or outages. First, try simple fixes. Restart your phone. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Manually select Tesco Mobile in your network settings. If these don't work, the problem may require further investigation into your SIM card or the network. To resolve SIM issues, ensure your SIM is properly inserted, undamaged, and activated via Tesco's app or website. For network locks, contact Tesco with proof of purchase to unlock your device if it's locked to another carrier. Check Tesco's app or website for reported outages in your area. Also, verify your APN settings are correctly set to Tesco's defaults. For pay, it's typically prepaid.tescomobile.com. If problems persist, Tesco Mobile's app offers automated diagnostics, or contact their support at 0800 591 777. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly diagnose and resolve most emergency calls-only issues.